Sending money abroad has never been easier. And today, we're unlocking the power of Remitly with a complete step-by-step guide. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to your app store, search for Remitly, and download the app. Once it's installed, open it up to begin. You'll be prompted to create an account. This is quick and easy. Enter your email address and create a secure password. You'll then need to verify your phone number by entering the code sent to you via text message. This ensures your account is secure. Now, let's start your first transfer. Tap on Send Money and select the country you're sending to. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it faster. Next, enter the amount you want to send to your recipient. Remitly will instantly show you the exchange rate and any fees, so you'll always know exactly how much your recipient will get. Choose your preferred payout currency, if applicable. Now comes the important part: recipient details. Choose how you want your recipient to receive the funds. Options often include a direct bank deposit, cash pickup at a local agent, or mobile money. Select the option that works best for them. Carefully enter your recipient's full name, their address, and any specific details needed for the payout method you chose for bank deposits. This includes their bank name, account number, and sometimes a SWIFT or routing code. Double-check this information for accuracy. Time to pay for your transfer. You can link a debit card, credit card, or even use your bank account. Enter your payment details secure and confirm the transfer. Remitly prioritizes your security. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll receive a summary of your transaction. You can usually track the status of your transfer directly within the Remitly app. Look for a tracking number or a transaction ID. And that's it. You've successfully sent money abroad with Remitly. Sit back, relax, and know that your loved ones will receive their funds quickly and securely.